have to remind myself that nothing gold can stay. Why don't you come over to my place and help me close the space between us? I have a sunburn in December. How many people would think it's real? There's 1,000 things on my to-do list, and the last one is to heal. I can't stop my sniffling. I think I caught it on the plate. You've got nothing to lose by loving me, and everything to gain. I can't shake this cough. It's an unstoppable force. There's a million things I'm not, and one of them is yours. You're an immovable object. You have this calming effect on me. That's why I thought it was worth it to tell you everything. I can't shake this cough. It's an unstoppable